Hello everyone, this is Salman Tariq and today I will be show you how you can build a website in less than a 1 minute. So basically I have gone through a junk removal business which is called Iron Mole Molding Holding and Junk Remover. I when click on their website, the Facebook page is getting open. So I wanted to test a tool which is just launched by her Go High Level, and instead of doing the random thing, I have decided to build a website for this business. So I go forward and compile a promote for them. So it will be quite easy. I just will be copy paste that and put that into the AI studio that help me to build website like what I wanted. For that, we simply need to go to the sub account of Go High Level, okay, and then go to the AI studio, and then write this down, okay, and select few things as well, both picture the logo and stuff, and boom, let's wait and let's see how it goes. Now they are doing everything and the bot is started build a website production single page website for iron and modeling. Okay, let's wait how it goes. Okay, boom, you can see they have built a very beautiful website. Okay, and we can simply go here and see that. Okay, let's see about, and you can see, look how good it is. The copy is very good, targeting the local area they are targeting, stuff like that. Now if we wanted to connect this website to the GoHighLevel level, we simply need to connect with CRM. It will going to connect with that, and even we can copy the form or calendar. If we wanted to post up here from the GoHighLevel level CRM, we can simply need to paste here and they will be going to connect it. Apart from that, if I wanted to make this website live, I simply need to click on the publish button and it will be make the website live. Okay, and this is how the AI studio works and can build a website in less than a minute. Thank you very much, and if anyone need help with the automation website funnels, I am here for you. Thank you.